हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ बढ़िया बढ़िया होंगे और बोर्ड की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी तरह चल रही होगी। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि बोर्ड जो है बस अब स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं आपके। तो जैसे कि हमने पिछली वीडियो में बताया था आपको कि हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 60, साइन 30, कॉस 60, कॉस 30, टेन 40 ज्योमेट्रिकली। तो उसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आज हमारा चलेगा टॉपिक है to find the value of sin 45, cos 45 and tan 45 geometrically. ठीक है ना। So for that we have to take a triangle ABC and that is right isosceles triangle. Right isosceles triangle, you know that AB equals to BC, that is A and A. Now in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, and you all know what is Pythagoras theorem. That is the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. That is, in this triangle you find that AC is hypotenuse, so square of AC equals to the square AB square plus BC square. Now if we input the value of AB and BC, you will get, here you will get A square and again here you will get A square. So A square plus A square, what you will get? Yes, anyone who will tell me? Yes, you? Okay, 2A square. That's very good. That is 2A square. So AC square equals to 2A square. But we want the value of AC. So you have to take the root of 2A square. So AC equals to root 2A. So we get the value of AC is root 2A. Now we have all the three values of sides AB, BC and AC. Now which value we have to find? Sin 45. Now listen, this angle is 90 degree. Can you tell me the degrees of angle A and C? Anyone? Yes, very good. See, this is an isosceles triangle. AB equals to BC. Now angle A is opposite to BC, angle C is opposite to AB, and if you go back to class 9th, you find that equal angles when sides are equal. So this is angle A equals to angle C, that is 45, and this is also 45 degrees. Clear? Now come back to your question. Now what we have to find? The value of sine. Now can you tell me what is sin theta? How will you find sin theta? Anyone? Yes, very good. That is P upon H. That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Clear? Now come to this triangle again. If we have to find the value of 45, you put 45 in place of theta. Now what is perpendicular? That is, for this angle BC is perpendicular, AC is hypotenuse and AB is base. If you take BC perpendicular, now AC hypotenuse, now what is the value of BC? A. Very good. Value of BC is A. Value of AC is root 2A. If you divide A by A, what you will get? Root 2. So, and as you all know from table, the value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. So here it comes 1 upon root 2 again using geometrical method. Is it clear to all? Yes. Now similarly we have to find the value of cos and tan. Now see this. Now cos theta is equal to, anyone? Yes, very good. B upon H. That is base upon hypotenuse. Now in this triangle, what is base? Base is AB. AB and hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse AC. Now what is the value of AB? That is A, and AC root 2A. If you cancel A by A, you will get 1 upon root 2. That is cos 45 is again equal to 1 upon root 2. So we get the values of sin 45 and cos 45. Now the last one is tan 45. See, that is tan theta is what? Anyone from the group? Yes, okay. That is P upon B, perpendicular upon base. Now taking this angle, this is perpendicular and this is base. So what is the value of P? Perpendicular upon base, that is A upon A. If you divide A by A, what you will get? 1. So tan 45 equals to 1. So here you get the value of sin 45, 1 upon root 2, cos 45, again 1 upon root 2, and tan 45 is 1. So this is how you can find the value of sin, cos, tan geometrically. Okay, thank you.